Good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to tonight's weather report and forecast. Hope I find you well. We had a wonderful Heroes Day with mostly sunny skies across much of the country. However, there was slight ground frost in areas such as Nyanga because of much of the moisture over much of the country. It was rather cool in most places, but this advection led to scattered clouds over areas such as Chirezi into the southern eastern parts of the country. And those cooling winds over the southern parts are drifting all the way from South Africa into the interior of the country, as seen here in our satellite image, which is showing us the wind direction currently prevailing, but these winds should die down. But for tomorrow, we're expecting that cooling wind to bring in a bit of moisture over the southeastern parts of the country, leading to cloudy conditions over Masvingo, Matabeleland South, as well as parts of Manicaland. However, the rest of the week promises to have clearer skies as we get more of the sunshine, but it becomes colder in the morning and evening hours, so please take care. For tonight, we're expecting those cooling southeasterlies to kind of reduce the occurrence of ground frost, especially over the southern parts, but they should also reduce the maximum temperatures as we get into tomorrow, with the drop of our maximum temperatures in areas such as Bulawayo to about 24 degrees Celsius, whilst it warms up into Thursday and Friday. For Matopo, we're expecting it to cool to about 23 degrees. Morning temperatures in the single digits for Wednesday and Thursday, but it warms up by afternoon as we get into Friday. For Gwanda, we're expecting more of the cloudy conditions for tomorrow, reducing our maximums to about 22 degrees, whilst it becomes warmer into the weekend with more sunnier skies. And same for Gweru, where we're expecting cooling winds to affect the maximum temperatures there, but the morning temperatures also in the single digits as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. For Masvingo, where we expect more of the sunnier skies into the week ahead. For Nyanga, we're expecting those cooling southeasterlies to also affect Nyanga, where we're expecting the temperatures to drop to about 19 degrees Celsius, whilst Marondo drops to about 22 degrees, but becomes warmer into Friday, where we're expecting more sunny skies there. For Harare, we're expecting a cooling southeasterly to gradually enter and affect the temperatures for Wednesday and Thursday. Same for Kwekwe, we're expecting it to drop to 26 tomorrow, but it should rise to 29 towards the end of the week. Kadoma less affected, we're expecting warmer conditions for much of Kadoma for much of this week, whilst Chinhoyi is at 29 by tomorrow, with most of the maximums above 28. Victoria Falls above 30 for most of the days, with mostly sunny skies, so it's the perfect place to be during this long holiday. And for Lupane, we're expecting warmer conditions as well. Bindura, just a slight advection of cooling winds, dropping to 25 tomorrow, but it warms up gradually. Kariba also under warm conditions for much of this period. So with that, we wish you a pleasant few days ahead. It's back to the news desk.